Okay, today I want to talk about the Yral, which is a new app that is running on internet computer, and this is really a perfect app if you're a content creator. Now, previously it was known as Hot or Not. It was recently rebranded, and I'm happy for it because finally I'm earning for my content. So think about it. If you use like TikTok, Instagram, you add content, and they use you for their profit, and you do not get anything in return. Now you can earn tokens just by betting on clips. So if I think that this is a hot video, I'm going to place my bet here. I can go up to 200. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give him like 50 because it's a funny one. And if overall it's going to be concluded as a hot video, I'm going to win my bet. Otherwise, if the majority of people decided this is not hot and it's rather not, so then I lose my bet. Okay, now I wanna check out their token. So as you can see, very flat, but we can see some really huge spikes. Really curious how much it is. Wow, 15x, that's crazy. So I did invest in this a little bit, not much, and uh, and now which I don't understand is why their token is named dollar when the app is viral. And also when I go to my wallet, now here is a different token, coins. Now they have to do something with nudity because it's really crazy. I mean, my account here, and as you can see, I have disabled. I don't want to show any NSFW videos, but still, I'm getting so many. Like for example here, I don't want to see that, and I think that this will ruin this platform if they do not do anything about it. It's like basically everywhere, as you can see also here, here. Now another problem with this platform is that for now you can sign up only with your Google account, but this is exactly what we do not want to see. So I don't know what the deal is. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to sign up with our internet identity, of course. I mean, I do understand that for now they want to make it easy for the majority of people to just get in their platform, but hopefully in the future it changes.